When posted up in a tree stand, or in our case a rooftop tent because we've got no tree stand, one of these can come in pretty handy. Works great going up or down. And it comes with this little clip so you can double up as a grappling hook. I mean, how did 8-year-old you let you grow into an adult that doesn't own a grappling hook? Stick around after station identification and we'll teach you how to make something out of just cordage that's a little easier to pack, takes up less room, and will be of asset on your next hunting trip. I mean, come on, it even looks like the bat signal. But if you're out traipsing around in the woods for hours on end, losing any excess added weight is preferable.
When traversing steep terrain, you've got a lot of gear. Gravity can become a force to be reckoned with. You've got your pack, your rifle,
and maybe you've separated your heart and your lungs as well.
All stuff you don't want to be tossing down a hill nor negotiating with in your hands while navigating terrain.
As far as space and weight go, you're going to want to use some cordage that's a little smaller. Even paracord will work. We're just using this because it's more visible to show you how to tie this knot. You'll want to go ahead and take your line about 4 feet down, make a bite in it, trace that all the way over and around, making a figure 8 on a bite.
Take and run your line through the handle of your backpack. With our tag end, we're going to take and do an overhand turn. With our running end, just behind our figure 8 on a loop knot, we're going to make another loop or a bite and pass it through that overhand turn. Passing that over our figure 8 on a bite. This creates a double hitch safety mechanism for lowering your bag, gear, and whatever else you might need to get down the cliff with.
This works with your game as well, but that's enough of a challenge on its own without adding mics and cameras to the equation. You lower your pack down, give it a couple of shakes, and your safety hitches come right out. Now you're a little more free-handed to make your way down with just your rifle. And that's all of that with the Bears Grip Hitch. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that smash button, and stay safe out there. We'll see you again next time. With just your rifle.
Hey, nobody said anything about being sure-footed, and if you haven't already, click the little link in the right-hand corner to be notified of our Part 1 and Part 2 Halloween videos coming up next week.